Hi, welcome to Educating the Heart Through Nature Art.
I'm Marghanita Hughes. I run nature-based art classes for young children, and I present interactive workshops for early educators wishing to learn how to actively engage children in nature. So why nature art? Well, nature is the most magical, enchanting, natural environment for children to learn and play in. Children learn through play. And nature is awe-inspiring, it's magical. We all need nature in our lives because we are nature. Nature is part of us. When children learn and play outdoors, their senses are stimulated in a completely different way to an indoor environment. In an indoor environment, it's all controlled, it's very static. Outdoors, the light's forever changing, the sounds are forever changing. You can hear the birds right now. And so a child's senses are stimulated where their imaginations just soar. So it's a beautiful environment for them to be creative in. The more time children learn and play outdoors in nature, they begin to understand that they're part of this beautiful world too, that they are connected to the trees and the birds in the sky. We are all highly creative, every single one of us, and children are beautiful young artists bursting with creativity, and the outdoors environment stimulates that imagination. If you look back at our cave dwellers, we've been creating and telling our stories for since time began. They expressed themselves through their art and told their stories with their cave art. So it's in our DNA to be creative. We are creative beings. So children need to have that access to be able to express themselves. Art is a beautiful way of being able to express ourselves. So what are the benefits of doing nature art? Well, the children are getting to be active outdoors. They're physically being active by going and collecting pine cones, sticks, rocks, whatever from nature. So they're running around. This is good physical activity for them. They're getting the fresh air. Secondly, the more time children learn and play outdoors in nature, they begin to understand that they're part of this beautiful world too. By doing art, you're allowing your child to express themselves in ways that they can't do in other subjects. So they're getting a triple benefit here by doing nature art outdoors. They're being physically active, they're beginning to understand that there is a connection between them and nature. And thirdly, they're allowed to express themselves in ways that they can't do anywhere else. It's a beautiful natural environment for them to express themselves. I believe in nurturing the whole child, the body, the mind and the spirit, and being in nature, doing art in nature allows me to do that with the children. Spending time in nature fosters that love for nature. If we instill a love of nature in a child at a very young age, they're more likely to take that love through to adulthood and want to protect it.